Okay guys, this is Richard from WELSHYTECH. I've got something else to unbox for you. This is the MSI Gk30 gaming combo. It is a UK layout gaming keyboard and mouse combo. So let's get into it. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it's quite nice. Oh, what is it? Right, we'll have a look at the mouse first. Okay. Okay, we'll have a look at the mouse first. Oh, that sounds quite nice. Yes, I like that. Look, see, I've got an MSI mouse already, but it's a little bit bulky. So as you can see, look, see, it's a bit bulky. So I've got this, so it'll fit my hand a bit better. Oh yeah, I like that. Yes, I like it. I like the click too, it's nice. Right then, so that's the mouse. Okay, right, staying on it steady. Right, here we go. Now, this is a membrane keyboard. I have already got a mechanical keyboard, but as the lights on this one you can control yourself, I thought why not, I might as well. So I'll have a look what's in the packaging. I believe it's just the, what is it? It's just a manual, but there, another manual. Anything else? Nope, just that. Right, move out of the way. Okay, so oh, that's a lot nicer, that is. Now, as you can see, my keyboard by here, this is a fully mechanical one. It's got blue switches on it, but I wanted something that isn't as clicky. So, oh, it's got little rubber feet. Yes, it has. Lovely. Oh, that's nice. Watch now, right? As I click this one, you'll have a little click. Well, at the moment it's starting to really get on my nerves, so I thought I'd get it. And this can be controlled with the MSI Dragon Center. As my motherboard's MSI, my graphics card's MSI, I thought, well, why not? You know, I thought, give it a go. Give it a go. Yeah. I really like the look of it. It's nice. Wow, I like it. It's nice, sturdy, nice and sturdy. Feels nice. So we've got a little peels there. Look. Oh, nice little peel. I'll get the peel through, won't I? Yeah, go. Oh, that's a nice peel. This one. Okay. Oh, that was a lovely peel. So yeah, I thought I bought something else. I've also got an overhead tripod stand to come back soon. It's coming back today, but I thought I'd give you a go. This is my unboxing of the Gk30 gaming keyboard and mouse combo from MSI. I'm going to review this over that, as that is mechanical. This is a membrane, so it's not exactly mechanical. So yeah, it's a bit soft, that is, but oh well, look at it. So that's Richard from WELSHYTECH. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give that thumbs up, like dislike, whatever, it's up to you. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, as well as Instagram at WELSHYTECH. This is Richard from WELSHYTECH. Goodbye.